Correct flange sizing is one of the most overlooked factors in successful pumping, yet it can make a huge difference in both comfort and milk output. Welcome back to Pump with Safia. If pumping feels painful, leaves your nipples sore, or you're not getting as much milk as expected, your flange size could be the reason. A breast pump flange is the funnel-shaped part that fits over your nipple. Its job is to allow your nipple to move freely through the tunnel while creating an effective seal. Many parents assume the flange included with their pump is the right size, but nipples come in many different shapes and sizes. Using the wrong flange can lead to discomfort, nipple damage, blocked milk ducts, and reduced milk removal. A flange that is too small may cause your nipple to rub against the sides of the tunnel, creating pain, swelling, or blisters. It can also restrict milk flow because the nipple cannot move freely. On the other hand, a flange that is too large pulls too much of the surrounding areola into the tunnel, reducing suction efficiency and often making pumping uncomfortable. A properly fitting flange allows your nipple to move smoothly back and forth in the tunnel without excessive rubbing. Only a small amount of the areola should be drawn into the flange, and pumping should feel comfortable rather than painful. While you may feel gentle tugging, sharp pain is never considered normal. The best way to find your size is to measure the diameter of your nipple after a feeding or pumping session, excluding the areola. Most flange sizing guides recommend choosing a flange that is only a few millimeters larger than your nipple measurement. Since nipple size can change during the postpartum period, it's a good idea to recheck your size if pumping suddenly becomes uncomfortable. Remember that your left and right nipples may not be the same size. Many parents actually need two different flange sizes, and that's completely normal. The goal is comfort and efficient milk removal, not matching sizes. If you've been struggling with pain, low output, or long pumping sessions, don't immediately blame your milk supply. Sometimes, something as simple as switching to the correct flange size can make pumping faster, more comfortable, and more effective. Every breastfeeding journey is unique, and small adjustments often lead to big improvements. Thanks for watching Pump with Safia. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more evidence-based breastfeeding and pumping tips to help you feed your baby with confidence.